If ax plus by square is equal to cos y, okay, then find dy by dx. Okay, so first take the given equation here, ax plus by square is equal to cos y. So we have to find dy by dx. Dy by dx means differentiation of y with respect to x. Now write down your differentiate with respect to x. This is just short form of differentiation. This is with respect to x. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. What you will get? First take this first star. Here plus is there, so we can differentiate this separately and this separately, and here equal sign is there, so we can differentiate this separately, so there is no wrong. Now first consider this first term. So it is like constant into function. X is a function and a is a number, it is a constant. Okay, so there is a formula. See, this you have to remember this formula, d by dx of kx is equal to k. This is the general formula, okay, where k is the constant. Now we are going to differentiate. See, for example, when I say differentiate with respect to x, first write like this, d by dx of this ax plus d by dx of, because of plus sign we can differentiate separately, I already said. So d by dx of this by square is equal to d by dx of this cos phi. Now see, I showed this formula. Now see, this I will write here. So d by dx of ax is equal to what? See, this is in the form of this, correct? So in place of k we have a, x same, dx same. Here k also constant, here a also a constant. So differentiation of this is equal to k, that means constant k. So according to this formula, differentiation of this is equal to constant a, because in place of k we have a. So in place of k, a. So now we got this is equal to this. So in place of this I will write this a. Next plus next I will consider this. So this is like d by dx of by square. See here, y is a function but b is a constant. Okay, it's a number. So remember, when there is constant into some function, okay, if you are differentiating with respect to x, so you can take this constant b outside. So b, so remaining what is left, d by dx of this y square. B is taken outside. So next step also I will write the same thing. After taking B constant outside, I have written d by dx of y square. Instead of that, I will differentiate here itself. First, to avoid confusion, no. First, the entire thing I will write it here separately. So d by dx of by square. So in the next step, b is taken out because it is constant into function. So you can take constant outside. So b is taken outside. So b, next what is left? D by dx of y square. So next b write as it is. Next consider y square. There are two functions. One is y square, another function is y. You got it right? One function, entire thing y square. Another function y. There are two functions. When there are two functions, we have to use chain rule to differentiate. Okay? First, into you write. So d by dx of no, I will chain rule I will apply. So I said there are two functions, so y square is there. First consider y square. For differentiating y square, I will use general formula. So we have general formula d by dx of x to the power of n is equal to n into x to the power of x to the power of n minus 1. I will write this side. Sorry, once again. Okay, we have this formula d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. Now I will write it here down. D by y square by dx, dy square by dx, that is equal to, see here, this is in the form of this. Okay, in place of x we have y. Okay, and in place of n we have 2. So according to this formula, this is equal to n. N means 2. In place of x we have y. So y I will write. Again, this is n minus 1. In place of n, 2. So minus 1. That is equal to 2. Write as it is. This y. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. Now again 2. Y to the power of 1 is equal to y itself. Both are same. Y to the power of 1, y, both are same. So y to the 1 y to the power of 1 is equal to y. Okay. So we got 2y. Okay. So here first function, in these two functions, one is y square and another one is y. Differentiation of y square, we got this 2y, that you write here. 2y. Again into. So differentiation of one function y square is done. We got 2y. Next another function is there. If you neglect this y, you consider y. This is another function. So differentiation of this what? We can directly write d by dx of this y. Okay, so that's all. Now see, d by dx of by square is this. So this I wrote here. So in place of this, I will write this, because we just now we calculated. So this I will write. Before writing, see here, 2 is number. First, because of into multiplication, I will write 2 first. Next, what is left? by. Next, what is left? dy by dx. Okay, so that is equal to okay. Now differentiation of this is done. Next, come to this d by dx of cos y. See, we are differentiating with respect to x. Okay, so if we have x here, in place of y we have x, then this is only one function. Okay, but here we are differentiating with respect to x, but here x is not there. Instead of x we have y. Okay, so because of that there are two functions. One is cos y, another function is just y. You got it? Why? Because here the same x is not here. That's why there are two functions. One is cos y, another one is y. Consider first function, this whole thing cos y. So differentiation of cos y is what? Minus sin y. That is a formula, general formula. So first differentiation of cos y is minus sin y. Okay, using the formula. Next you have to put into, because there is another function y, and we have to differentiate this y with respect to x. So you write d by dx of this y. Okay, so now we got this much. Okay, so this is not the final answer, still we have to solve. I will show in the back side of the board. Now what I will do, I will write the same thing, whatever is there here, same thing once again in the back side. What is this? A plus 2by, I will write that. A plus 2by dy by dx, that is equal to minus sin y into dy by dx. Okay, so this is what we got till now, and till now you understood. From here I will proceed. Next, see here, into is there, no? If you just remove that into symbol also, no problem, that is understood. There is into, I will just remove, no problem. Even if you remove also, there is into, okay, that is understood, remember that. Next, what I will do, see first, so what we want dy by dx, right? See here, dy by dx, in this entire thing dy by dx is there. Here in this entire thing, here dy by dx is there. First, what we have to do, we have to group the terms that contain dy by dx. That means we have to group, we have to bring dy by dx terms together. So what I will do, I will send this a constant to this side, and I will bring this entire thing to this side. Okay, before that you write this as is 2by dy by dx is equal to, no, don't write now is equal to, because we are bringing this side. Okay, now, so we are bringing this side. So when this is moved to this side, this minus will become plus. Then write this entire thing, sin y dy by dx. Next, write this equal, this a we are moving to this side. Here nothing is there, means plus is there. Okay, when this a is moved this side, this plus becomes minus a. Okay, I hope you understood till here. Next, so we want dy by dx, here also dy by dx, here also dy by dx. Take dy by dx as the common. So I am take dy by dx as the common into, now consider this, dy by dx is taken common here. What is left? 2by, I will write here 2by. Next, put plus. So this dy by dx is already taken as common here. So what is left? Sin y. Close the bracket, is equal to this minus a. Next, we want dy by dx. We don't want this. So what I will do, this dy by dx you write here. Okay. Now move this to this side, right side. Before moving, write this minus a as it is. So we are moving this side. When this is moved this side, so it will become divided, minus a divided by this 2by plus sin y. Okay. When this is moved this side, this minus a will be as it is, whole divided by this thing 2by plus sin y. So dy by dx is equal to minus a whole divided by 2by plus sin y. So this is the answer. Okay, this is our required answer. We got it. I hope you understood till here. This is the final answer. So anything if you want to say related to the teaching and the concept, you can mention in the comment. Thank you. Click on subscribe.